Here I have MODECOM FREETAB 9701 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings, scroll down, and here you can find developer options. Let's enable this by using that switcher right here. Tap OK to confirm it. Now you can use the developer options. For example, we can enable USB debugging right here. Let's read the instructions and warning, tap OK to confirm it, and you just enable the USB debugging. You can also choose and allow Mac location. You can, for example, show layout bounds and other stuff as well. That's it. If you would like to go back, let's use the home screen or the back key, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.